Again, show me.
This is the kitchen.
Okay.
These are things. This is the Lego.
Where the Lego? Okay. Wow. Okay.
This is the biggest thing you want to read. This thing or the old thing. These things or these things.
Okay.
This is the box.
This is okay. What else?
The outside of the thing.
Okay.
This is the birdies.
What is that?
This is the birdies.
This. Okay.
And this is we make the road.
What is that?
This is the make we road.
What do you call that one?
Road.
Robot?
Yes, that's Duckland and King.
Where is yours? Where? This one?
Yep.
Wow. Very nice.
And this is the box you can read.
What is that?
This is the books you can read.
You can read. Do you know how to read? Try to read the book.
Only
Okay.
my favorite is this.
Okay, what is the title?
I can already read.
Okay.
Mr. Potato and blocks and Lego and make formers and the plants.
Wow.
You move your name. You move name whatever you want. You can move your name too.
Okay. And again?
This is the reading of the letters.
Okay.
There's no letters. This shell, cheese, hang, the lightning.
What is that?
I don't know. This is E, B.
B, E, B. And this one, what is this?
This is I show you of the kitchen, you know.
Okay, sorry. What again? What is that?
That is the smart board.
Okay.
Smart board. Those is the puppets.
Oh, that is a puppet.
Those
In the green box? In the green box?
those I want to play those.
Oh, no. Okay. Okay, we're done.
Nope. But you can see this is the reading thingy.
Oh,
This is the reading.
how to read this one? How to read?
Frogs croak. Rains soak. Chicks peek. Crickets leap. Bees hum. Robins come. Birds dance.
Oh, is it dance?
Birds sing. It's spring.
Yeah.
This is we can eat over here.
What is that?
We can eat over here with we can eat in the tables. We can eat in the tables. And we can choose what we can sit on table. We can and what now cooking rate?
Okay.
I can sit, but where I can sit, but I can sit.
This is your seat? Your chair? This is your chair?
Yeah. Then I eat. Then I eat. Just I sit. Then I eat.
Okay. Just like that? Okay, wow. A good demonstrator, huh?
Your shoes.
Where? Oh, you're gonna put your shoes there?
Yep. And this is your thingy.
Okay, and that is
This
your...
is the draw on yours. this is the draw your name, and this is the glue, and this is the eraser, and this is a spacer, and this is scissors.
Okay. Oh, don't open it because that is for Oliver.
Because you can
No.
open it. Hello. Backpack, and this is my holder of jacket. This is for Oliver, Amelia, and Lelia, Jude, Skylar, Kinston, Vince, Rivera, Tava, Rowan, Kevin, Carter, Tova, Declan, Soren.
Wow.